Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Way down the distance you can hear the construction, and you can also see stuff like the ships over there. It's the end of the road. Okay, so you can see all the construction. They're building the train line, and I'm gonna just walk. You see also the waterfront down that way. So we're going to be walking all the way down this way, which is all these ponds. You can see pond number 6. We're going to go down to pond number 9. So stay tuned. I'll tell you more about it. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So yeah, we're going to be walking down this way, and you can just see a lot of construction types of things and vehicles for moving stuff around, because all the ponds are down in this area. And I'm going to be moving along a little bit quickly. Hopefully the lighting is okay. I think what I'm going to do is way down the distance you can hear the construction, and you can also see stuff like the ships over there. And as far as I know, they're building a train line. So I'm kind of moving along, so I'm a little bit preoccupied. But they're building the train line right here, so you can see all the cranes. And there's going to be one station down there. I think it's going to be maybe called Barra. And then there'll be another one up here. And then I don't know how they're going to transform this. So there might turn into more shops and different things instead of what you currently have. So I'm kind of recording at a moment when they're when it could all be different in the past, because right now you can see all these kind of fishery types things, warehouses, fish are right there as well, construction. But this could all change to something totally different. It could be like fish restaurants, could be built for tourism, could be all kinds of stuff. Yeah, the crane. And they're also doing some things along this waterfront, like creative stuff. And actually what I'm going to go see now, but I'm not going to film it, is something about the artwork of the graffiti areas of Macau, which have, you know, the beautiful artwork about it, that side of it. But I'm not going to film that. But a lot of these do have these areas with loft spaces, and I'm going to go into one of them. I'm actually looking for it now. It's going to be called Pont 9, and I think it's going to be down here. That's some of that construction. I think this is where the other train station is going to be, because there's a lot of work in this space. Let's just go back around this way. I'm gonna try to find this Pont 9, and I'm not sure exactly. There's Pont 7A right up there. So the ponts are the different spaces, and traditionally they're more for bringing shipments and cargoes in. So I think the 9 is going to be either this one, or it could be up a little bit further. Okay, so let's go up here. I'm also just kind of documenting all this construction everywhere too, right? And now that's one of the main streets. So we'll see what it all looks like in the future. And I believe my pot 9 is going to be down there. Can't walk through there. We'll find out, or we hit the end of the road. It's the end of the road. Okay, I gotta turn off the camera, figure out where we are exactly. Yeah, it looks like a mess at the moment, but it'll all be different in the future. Okay. So I guess let's go all the way around. Figure out where this place is. There's a cat somewhere. It's right there. Yeah. And we're gonna end it right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la